We've been ready for like 30 seconds.
I'm always waiting for the. Hey everybody, what is going on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 amateurs playing disc golf. That was hard. We're at Sawmill in Ocala, right here, in Florida, and it's going to be fun. Acebabieee, her husband, Mr. Acebabieee, gentleman who I am just meeting for the first time.
James Leonard.
James, good to meet you. Don't leave me hanging. And
Carly and Derek.
Carly and
have
Derek.
a special feature on a couple holes, maybe.
Yes, extra special guests.
Yes.
So, what do we think? We ready?
I think we're ready.
We ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
How's it going? We're on hole 1 now. It's a par 3, 274 feet. We are playing A positions today. This hole goes down between these trees, and it's going to take a hyzer shot to the left, right at about 250 feet to get into the basket.
He's the veteran.
Yeah. The course professional.
Yes.
All right.
It even says so on his shirt.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Pass. Nice. That looked pretty good. I just had to test out the right one, and then it was like knocking me by that point.
It felt great earlier, and then it had that little rain cloud. There we go.
Yeah, nice. Great throw.
It was like just a little blur, dude. First hole.
Yes, let's go. Nice drive.
Thank you.
But it could have. That's pretty.
Yeah, good shot.
Nice
Oh,
throw.
nice.
I got
That looked really
I've been playing around with that.
I should just put it up on my bed. Oh, you tried it?
That's what we
The alien.
Cigar.
Oh, nice. What are the numbers?
7, 6, -1, 2.
I need to try it.
It flies pretty fair to that too. I've
Really? Because I mean, some twos are
Nice.
really easy.
That's
I feel
one.
like a 2 is a last number.
And?
Can be very
Oh.
variable.
If you don't throw it like you mean it, it won't really do that -1.
it will hold like a 0, 2. Yeah. If I throw it.
Andy
like,
came out of the
Which is
car
surprising
hot.
because it's a 6,
Same
right?
spot.
Or 7? All right, first putt of the day.
Hey, wait, is this C2?
No, pretty sure it's C3. No. Don't miss. Good bid. That's a good run for a first putt. Good bid.
No, that's a profanity.
Oh, so close. He really has some good turbo putts, yeah. Oh, good bid. Oh. Nice. His dead enough. Just. I don't know if you want to just rip that down. Alright, first putt of the day. Oh. Got that first. Was that a 2?
Got
Nice
them all.
2. The only birdie. Nice. First hole down.
All right, we are on the iconic hole number 2 here at Sawmill, where we're gonna have to go over that limestone rock, through the trees, into the open field. It's 471 feet, par 4.
I think he does a great job of introducing the holes. I love it.
Direct to the point.
Yes.
Yeah.
Great throw. Nice. Very pretty.
He looks like it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, whoa,
Hey.
magic. That's the second best drive I've seen myself.
Oh, I did not get it
Oh,
flat.
keep turning.
No, it's not. That might have a back door.
Yeah.
Hit something.
I don't know what's over there.
Push through though.
There's an opening out there. You can flip it out somewhere.
You know, I really want to go that gap, but I definitely should not. So I will not do that. At 8 p.m. I was exhausted.
Stingray, greatest putter ever. Never miss.
It is a good one.
Yeah.
All right, we are on hole 3. Distance is 233, dogleg right. You want to get out behind that palm tree and almost a 90-degree angle to the basket.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, that looks. I can't do that.
Oh yeah, that looks
There
good.
you go.
Yeah, I get that.
That's my bad. A good shot.
Aisa.
Yep, the boys make it.
We're on par 4. It's 229.
Par 4, hole 4.
Oh, sorry. Well, that's why we have. We're on hole 4. It is 229 feet. 2 roads diverged in the wood, and I'm gonna take the one with the most trees.
Teed it.
That's
up.
where I aim at too. It's like right there.
Yeah, no problem. Have fun. Slide up. Nice. Solid 15, maybe. Probably 15.
That's you right there, right?
Yeah, he'll putt afterwards.
Yep, I just want to be sure there's someone else.
Yeah, nice putt.
Great putt, Daryl.
His putt's back.
Yeah, that's nice.
That 8. Yep.
We are at hole 5, 273 feet. You're gonna go down and you can choose to cut left early or cut left late, both leading to the basket. Oh, it did. It's all the way to the basket.
detour for the win, baby.
Nice.
Oh, made it to the other side of the tree.
Perfect fairway.
Oh, so nice. Great, Daryl.
Bye.
But,
Put over here.
oh, I thought I was in. It's gonna happen. A lot of power.
Yeah,
That's what she goes like this.
you get what? Stronger.
We're on hole 6, par 3, 278 feet. You have to make it through this first batch of trees and then get lucky to get over to the right side. You gotta pass them trees. Not bad. Go.
You're a good coach.
From one bad shot to maybe another worse shot. Let's try it.
Just red, but it's a very faith.
Friends and family, young and old.
Yeah. Very nice.
Do something crazy.
It's a
Now
beautiful,
Andy's gotta make,
beautiful 5.
Andy's gotta make his first putt. Practice for the second putt.
We're on hole 7. It's a par 4, 412 feet. If you're smart, you'll take the fairway and go left at the end. But I'm gonna go through the trees.
Is that James Leonard?
Always.
All right, Rebecca, you are good at throwing back. Yes, you are. Okay.
Make it distance.
go for it, because that's the fun thing to do. Oh,
Nice.
glory!
Nice.
Go for the glory. Nice, Daryl. Yeah, great throw. In the high. Still got it.
He's solid.
Going.
Oh,
Please
going.
go in. Oh man, I really wanted. Wow. That was something.
It's always been terrible. But for some reason, I was just making every single one.
Last weekend
Nice.
I had I had 4 of us, 2 of us.
Is it me or you?
Go ahead. Good day.
I'm sorry, Rebecca.
That was a great
That was on me.
Good day.
That was a great
That was on me.
I like knew it was going into out the hand. I feel so confident about that putt. Oh my goodness.
Much better than
Nice.
Becca's
That one,
putt.
Andy?
Uh huh.
Oh, let's go. That doesn't happen.
Yeah. But based on where I was and where my disc landed, I like this position, except for this basket freaking did me dirty.
Yeah, this one, that's a new position over there. This one had one position and they
So
figured
rude.
that out recently. Exactly, lucky. We are now on hole 8. It's a par 3, 259 feet, long left. We have 2 ways to get there. You can take the tight gap and highs right at the end, or you can go for the S curve around to the best. Not for those ones.
Miss it.
Oh. You got a 4 on the last.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's
it's
it.
good.
Get up there.
Good shot.
Thank you.
Looking at birdie.
I really needed your fist bump. I didn't know I needed it. I didn't know it was there. I was missing it.
I'm gonna try to jump this and pass it off the ground.
I love it.
No,
I love it so much.
no skip. It's okay.
So perfect. It like
not
literally
complaining.
rolls across.
I'm not complaining, but I wanted it to jump.
Yep.
You guys seen the video? Bowling's like, I can't concentrate with that woodpecker wrecking that shit. That's what I was thinking here.
Good putt. Good putt.
Video doesn't lie.
We're on hole 9. It's a par 4, a little over 550 feet. You're pretty much going to want to get out straight without going to the left with a bunch of small trees and avoiding the big oak. And then you're going to have a little bit of a right turn at the end around some more oak trees.
Nice. That'll do, pig. That'll do. Yep. Nice. It's way that way, right?
Yeah, down past the oak tree, down the hill.
Whoa. That was not the block.
Oh, yeah, come on.
Yeah. Smart. That was the line I was going for, so.
Accepted a new
Interview on Thursday, another one on Friday, and we'll call me back on Friday.
So,
It's a marketing manager for, is it a clinic campus? They're like a
okay, well, it wasn't.
you can cut off.
Yeah. Yep. That's up. Oh! Let's go. Gotta run it down. No.
Saved the par.
That was awesome.
That's the line.
Oh! I don't have enough confidence in myself. Maybe after I practice it a little bit more.
We're on hole 10, par 3, 282 feet. Basically, you want to keep it low to get under this first tree and maybe do a skip shot to the left into the basket. That's what I'm doing.
Ooh, that breeze
Other
feels
basket.
nice.
I aced the other basket. That was terrible.
do you see the
That
pin
basket's-
location for the other basket?
It's cool.
Yeah. Nice. Great throw. Pretty.
Should be alright. Should be good, man.
Yep. Good. Nice. Great throw. That's how you throw this hole. Yep, great throw. Nice, babe. Was that the TD or the Nautilus? TD Nautilus.
It's Nautilus.
Same
Oh
guy.
yeah, you made my gap. Let's go.
Everything here is just volunteer.
Yeah, get. But nonetheless, like,
He's got me filmed in here. Not the first time I've been in here.
There we go.
What are you doing back in there?
Taking my other one, but I just want to try to put this one out. Nope, that's bad.
they're all like that. Like he barely gets it in the basket. It's so crazy.
The softest run you ever saw. But I'm running it every time. It doesn't quite look like it.
All right, back into the woods for hole number 11. Although it's much shorter, position A is at 183 feet. If you make it past these guardian trees, you've got an opening, and then the basket is surrounded by 3 smaller guardians.
That would be a very interesting, not fun sensation. Let's go, Daryl.
Yeah, that'll definitely work.
Nice. Good job. So much work.
So you got a lot of trust in the editors? Oh, through it. Let's go.
Nice.
No,
I was like trying not to hold
even
the.
gonna- Jason's on you. Tell him to get off. I swear, like, I'm playing pretty well, but I keep hitting. Good.
I ain't seen nothing.
Yeah, but it was recorded, so instant replay, baby.
I tried to help.
Yes, let's go. Nice burn.
Almost made it.
I really wish you would have laced that. So what disc is that then?
It's one of the iodine
Meteors? So you backhand. The wind is different. Sorry, let me get out of the way.
All right, we are halfway through the course on hole 12. It's a par 3, 215 feet to the basket, which is elevated. If you land outside of the ring, it is a stroke, but you play it as where it lies. Also behind you, I don't know if you can see in the woods, but this is remnants of the old sawmill that they had here many years ago that would cut up the lumber and stuff for this area.
Are you talking about like the 40s? Yeah. Johnny Weissmuller back in the day.
Yes.
Come on.
Nice. Yeah, it's on.
I
That's
Valid.
Nice.
Good.
Good.
Yeah,
sure, yeah.
Yeah, but if you would have them, I need to be sure. Yeah.
And a little long. Stay in. Yep.
Way too long. Almost ran out the fence.
Oh, drop. Long. Thank you. Had the height. Had the height. Bless you.
Yeah. Nice.
Park job.
Oh, damn. Put that on mine.
Yep, there we go. We're not playing with this. We're safe. Yep, great pot. Nice do.
Climbed over.
I think I want my putts, honestly.
Yeah.
That was pretty low.
It's like I'm kind of trying to like let all of you guys go so Andy can keep.
Oh my goodness, Andy.
Did it almost come right back on me?
Yeah.
Hey guys, you noticed we didn't have the break at 9 because it's a 24-hole course. So halfway at 12. So far, I am loving this course. Such a great course. What do you think?
I love this course. This is my second time playing it, and I still love it.
Okay.
Different pin positions.
Yeah,
Actually,
different pin positions
A
last
lot of
time.
holes, but still love it.
We haven't seen any monkeys yet, but we're keeping our eyes open.
Yes.
Yes.
This is the monkey course.
Well, she was hanging from this second.
I was.
So,
Just broke the basket.
find out, and it's on video. We'll have a link for Acebabiee's channel down below. Keep watching. The back 12 will be coming up. The Florida trip has been amazing so far, so definitely check out all the videos from
Florida
that.
tour.
Yeah, Florida Tour 2025. And it would have rhymed if it was 2024.
Simply incredible disc golf.
And Acebabieee!
Like and
And
subscribe.
James Leonard.
And you guys have an incredible day.